Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. Today I would like to share this milk cake recipe with you. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1.5 liter full fat milk. I'm going to boil this in a non-stick pan, but it gives very good result when you boil this in silver kadai. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and let it boil. Let this milk reduce to half. Now add 1.5 tablespoon lemon juice. Now you can see here the milk slowly starts curdling. Add 1/4 cup of ghee at this time. Remaining 1/4 cup of ghee I will add in the end of the recipe. So totally I am adding half cup of ghee in this recipe. Cook until it absorbs moist. Now add remaining 1/4 cup of ghee and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 tsp salt. Now you can see here it's separating from the pan. At this time switch off the flame. Apply ghee to the plate and pour the milk cake mixture. Level the milk cakes with the help of a spoon. Let it cool down and cut this into cubes. It is very soft and moist to eat. Do try this recipe and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day.